I could go in a lot of theory about what we do, but what I really need to do is I want to demonstrate what these custom templates mean in terms of a software. So we will move to a software demonstration, and we use a lot of Revit in our company, and we do a lot of Revit projects. So we will start with Revit, and I will show you that this is a project that we have done in the past for a client, and where we did do the custom template for them. So if you see that we already have preset some of the annotations that they are doing, some of the wall types that they are doing. We have preset some of the line types. If I go into one of my settings in here, I can show you that we already have set up the line types. Like if I need to show a 1 hour fire rating, or if I have to show a 30 minutes fire rating, this is the line and this is the symbol that we can use for it. Similarly, I'm going to open another project and I will show you that how we've already created the assemblies that we have created. And then those assemblies are always there in the project, and you can predetermine in your project that, okay, this is what I'm going to use, and this is how my project is going to look like. Let's see here. I have a legend that shows me that, okay, these are my wall types. I have a certain fire rating for them. I have a ULC and RSI rating for them. How does my wall look like? What does the tag look like? All of that information, or let's go to a door schedule and see that, okay, so these are the 4 kind of doors that I'm going to be using in my projects again and again. So I have those doors already in my project. Similarly, I can show you in terms of legends. So let's say we always have, this is pretty common, but we have a welcome page where you have all the information that you need, how you're naming your work sets, how you're naming your files and folders and stuff like that. But more than that, what we have in here is stuff like this. So we have already prepared a fire separation chart, and this comes with a template. So now when you already have a stuff like this in your template, you don't have to keep on doing this again and again. So one, it does save a lot of your time. It does save a lot of your efforts on the project. Plus, it makes your documentation really professional. I will show you one more example here. So this is the door details, so the types of doors that we use. And depending on what projects you're working on, you can delete or you can add more stuff into it. But mostly what we do is that there are some fixed type of content that we use. Also, what we do is these templates, they come with certain kind of content that you always use in your project. For example, furniture. So let's say my commercial building. So a building like this. If I have certain kind of furniture that I'm going to use and I already have it preloaded, I don't have to go waste time in looking for that kind of furniture or that kind of fixture, the plumbing fixtures. So we do get in Revit a preloaded template. It comes with preloaded templates for architecture, for structure, for mechanical. But it's really, really advisable that you create one custom template for your company, because what Autodesk will give you would be very generic, very out of the box. And when you want to use the software and you want to use the process for your projects, you will have to customize it to your needs.
Hello everyone. Thanks for watching this video. This video is a clip from our webinar, BIM for Small Commercial Projects. If you want to listen to the entire webinar, please subscribe to our channel and click on the link in the description. You can also follow us on LinkedIn, Twitter, Facebook, and Instagram, or visit us at www.bimwise.com.